Okay, so here's the 65 GMC, and today we're going to see if we can get it cleaned up, shined up, with a couple of things from the hardware store. Alright, so here's what we're working with. Barkeeper's Friend, some Scotch Brite sponges, and this is Bona High Gloss Hardwood Floor Polish. So everything I've read says to use the ZEP High Traffic Floor Polish. They did not have that at my local Ace, so we're gonna see how this performs. And it was a toss-up between the high gloss and the low gloss, but everybody likes shiny, right? So we're gonna go shiny. Alright, so even after just a quick rinse, just water and a pressure washer, it really did peel up a lot of the just the sun bleached kind of faded oxidization that was sitting on the top. So we got a lot of that kind of blue color back, but we're going to hit it next with some dish soap just to get rid of any grease or oil or anything that's sitting on there. Alright, now here we are, just after a quick rinse with soap and water. And it ain't bad, but we can get it better. So we're going to use a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend now, and these Scotch Brite sponges, and get to scrubbing. So take a look at this. See if you can tell which side has gotten the Barkeeper's Friend treatment. I should have taped it off just to make this transition more dramatic, but spots like that, they just evaporate. It's the craziest thing. So that is looking good. I'm excited to see what the rest of it will look like. So here is a little better example. Hopefully that shows up on camera. But look at the fading that just took right away. I'm sure if I scrubbed a little longer, I could get that mostly back to blue. But you can't beat that. Alright, so now we've got our hardwood floor polish and a sponge. Okay, so that is not exactly the result I was expecting. It is pretty streaky, and it could just be the sponge that I'm using. It's got a bit of shine, I wouldn't call it high gloss. We'll keep at it. Alright, so this Bona floor polish was not the result that I was looking for, so we're going to try what we should have tried.